Part of your assessment task is to actually look at the data that you've taken and to draw your own line graph or bar graph, as well as do the one in Excel. So I just want to show you quickly how to actually take your one that you've drawn on paper and put it in. So once you've drawn it, you do need to take a photo of it with a camera or your phone or something like that. It is best if it is in a photo format, not a PDF format like when you normally scan documents and so forth. So once you've got it saved to your computer, you just simply need to go up to Insert here up at the top, and you'll see that it says Insert a Picture. You then need to choose the picture you want. So we've got here our graph that we want to insert, and it will put it in for you. Now you can resize it by clicking on the diagonal parts and dragging it down so you can resize it. If you click on it, you can also move it around and put it wherever you want it on the particular page. So just make sure that they're not sitting over the top of each other like that when you submit your assignment. So that's all you need to do in order to submit a drawn bar graph or line graph.